everybody, 2014 Silverado HD, so it doesn't have Bluetooth. So I found out about this product called Ugreen. It does the car Bluetooth receiver, and I really kind of like the way this the setting is, the stereo set up here. I got the stereo controls, the audio's decent, the head unit's pretty easy to work with, and it's just a work truck. So I don't really see any sense in spending $400 plus to, put in a new unit if, all I need is really the USB. So here's what we've got. You've got your USB port there. Thankfully the truck does too. Then you got your 3.5 millimeter. So we'll stick this in right up here. Thankfully I went ahead and read the instructions to kind of get an idea how it's supposed to work. It doesn't look the greatest there, but if it works, that's works for me. So according to the instructions, all we have to do is plug the receiver into its ports. It automatically turns on and enters pairing mode when we turn on the vehicle. So we'll go ahead. We've got our. We'll go ahead and turn Bluetooth off on the phone here. There we go. We'll turn it off. We'll turn key on. We'll go over to CD aux. And let's see, we're scanning. Let's turn it off for a minute, turn it back on. Totally sure what I'm looking for. So it's going to be on the aux. Sorry about my fingers in the way there. It says it's supposed to come up as Ugreen 7601. Let's double check here if it's scanning. I'm not seeing that pop up as a scan. Let's try it again. Okay. Paired devices, scanning for Bluetooth. So, oh, there it is. Okay, finally. Connect there. Pair with Ugreen. Yep, there we go. Ooh. Alright. So we're going to turn on our Pet Gray Unleashed, which we might be able to use via that control. I'm not sure. Okay, we're playing.
Yeah, if you're listening to the lead yesterday, if you're listening to the version of the show, just imagine
that's pretty cool.
Sure
so let's just
underwear with a scarf.
So we'll go through band. There's stereo, XM, AM, 8.3.
Imagine. Don't imagine. Peace. Good day for audio.
I believe it will. If we go away, let's see here. If we go away, I believe it keeps playing. So, one thing different, you'll have to turn it off. Compared to like if you start up your vehicle, you will have to turn it off. If you don't want it to keep playing, it looks like. But still, and this is only $14. So Ugreen, $14. I've got Bluetooth in my truck. I think that's a pretty good deal. So there you go. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching. Tips and tricks in the truck. Bye.